Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply import themes to Elementor. So let's start. So what you want to do, I will show you. This is such a bad UX and UI from Elementor. When you're in Windows, press this Ctrl-Shift-L, but if you're on a Mac, press Command-Shift and L, alright? So Ctrl-Shift and L, I'm on Windows, and you're gonna see right here the library. This is crazy. And then you just have the pages here that you can just import into Elementor. And then you're gonna select import template. And this is where you have your JSON or zip theme file. And you just upload it and that's it. And then just click library if you want to add like different blocks. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and this is kind of it. So guys, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback. And yep. Thank you. See ya and goodbye.